How to unlock Snapchat account when permanently locked. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Snapchat application, or you can also open your preferred browser and then search for Snapchat support. Open your Snapchat support, or you can simply type help.snapchat.com. Now simply search for locked, and here go to my Snapchat account is locked, and select your reason or why your account was locked. And then if you have violated your any of the Snapchat community guidelines, your account will not be able to come back or revive. So but if you have not mm, done anything wrong, simply go to why was my account locked, and then it will give you several options. Now to prevent from that, simply go to verify your email, and or you can also use your phone number for added security. Now in order to unlock, simply search for unlock, and then unlock account. Go to my account is compromised. After that, you will get an request form. Simply select your issues, enter your username, email, and your mobile number. Write why your account was blocked and everything. Simply submit it, and the rest is on Snapchat Support Center. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.